Hello, teacher. I am going to answer the question back now. How can singers influence young people in society? Singers can influence young people through their lyrics, which can convey messages of hope, social change of self-confidence. They can also be role models in terms of lifestyle and ethics. Uh, of, um, Often, do you listen to music? I listen to music every day for several hours. Are you a good painter? As a language model, I cannot paint, so I am not a good painter. What kind of art do you like? I like art that explores the human condition, nature, and culture. Thank you.